Yes, you can start.
Okay, thank you. So, screen is not moving. Is it moving now?
Yeah.
Okay. So we were talking, sorry for the interruption, and we were talking about the osteoclast. So the basic thing we have to understand is osteoclast is not the bone cell. It is derived from the hemopoietic system. That is, it is a cell of blood. So here 4 options are derived from cancellous bone. Cancellous bone, it is a type of bone, and this cancellous bone consisting of osteoclast, osteocyte, and also osteoblast. So the component of cancellous bone is osteoclast, osteocyte, and osteoblast. And second is mononuclear cells from bone stroma. Mononuclear cells from bone stroma is osteoblast, BLAST, osteoblast. Multinucleated cells of hemopoietic origin is the answer for this question, osteoclast. This is derived from the hemopoietic origin, and D is derived from cortical bone. Cortical bone is another type of bone. So in this picture, you can see the 4 types of bone cells: osteocyte, osteoblast, osteogenic cell, and osteoclast. Osteogenic cell, it is basically a stem cell which gives rise to all the bone cells. Osteocyte, it is the mature bone cell. Osteoblast is the immature cell, and this osteoblast get osteoclast. It is the hemopoietic stem cell, and it helps come to play. So the question is, you understand, I think, osteoclast, osteocyte, osteoblast, and also osteogenic cell. Okay. So long bones are formed from. Long bones are formed from. Second question. So this comes under the basic anatomy and physiology, which is given in the 23rd edition of Davidson. Long bones are formed from intramembranous ossification, endochondral ossification, growth plate, and collagen ossification. So the long bones are formed from endochondral ossification. So according to the formation, depending upon the formation of bone, it is divided into 2: long bones and flat bones. Flat bones means bones of the skull. Long bone means our ordinary bones such as tibia, fibula, femur, etc. So long bones, it is formed from endochondral ossification. And regarding the other options, intramembranous ossification, it is in concern with the flat bones. Flat bones are derived by intramembranous ossification. Endochondral ossification leads to the formation of long bones. Chondral means, you all know, chondral means cartilage. So long bones are formed from the endochondral ossification, from the cartilage. Flat bones, it is derived from the intramembranous ossification. That is, it is derived from the mesenchymal tissue. Then C, option regarding option C, growth plate. What is growth plate? We all know that epiphyseal end consists of the remnant of the bone formation, which consists of osteocyte, and it is responsible for the lengthening of the bone, growth plate. And D, collagen ossification. Regarding collagen, we all know that collagen is a protein, and collagen is responsible for the structure of our body, formation of structure of our body. And the most important thing we should remember here is there are 2 types of collagen. Which there are so many types of collagen, of which 2 is very, very important. One is type 1 collagen and type 2 collagen. Please take a note of this. Type 1 collagen, the most important collagen present in the bone is type 1. Type 1 collagen. And the most important collagen which is present in the articular cartilage is type 2. Type 2. Please take a note of this. Type collagen. There is nothing known as collagen ossification. Collagen is the structure or protein which is responsible for the formation of the structure. There are mainly 2 types of collagen. type 1 collagen and type 2 collagen. Type 1 collagen, it is the most important structure, most important protein in the bone. And type 2 collagen, it is the most important thing in the articular cartilage. So I think you understand about the formation of long bones. It is known as ossification. There are only two types of ossification, endochondral, intramembranous. Long bones are formed from endochondral ossification. Flat bones are formed from intramembranous ossification. So in this picture, we can see this is the ossification. Just for your better understanding, I keep this picture and option is B, that is a kept B here. So this is mesenchymal cell. So mesenchymal cell, it is responsible for the formation of flat bones, that is bones of the skull, and the endochondral ossification, that is from the cartilage, it is responsible for the formation of long bones. Okay, please remember, and also you remember about collagen. So the third question, calcium and phosphate are deposited in the bone as a calcium phosphate. Visible? Hello, Dr. Regine.
Yes, doctor, you can continue.
Okay, thank you. So, calcium and phosphate, it is deposited in the bone as hydroxyapatite, and it is not as calcium phosphate. Please remember. Okay. So next answer is C, hydroxyapatite. Next, white synovial fluid aspirate is an indication of. So, synovial fluid, it is seen in the joint, is it not? Synovial membrane. Inside the synovial membrane, synovial fluid. Understand that there are what is the normal nature of synovial fluid? So, normal synovial fluid is colorless, or it may be pale yellow in color. Pale yellow in color or straw colored. So, what the question is, white synovial fluid aspirate is an indication of A, increased urate crystal, B increased C, E, A, and B. So we have already told that synovial fluid, the normal synovial fluid is colorless or it is pale yellow in color. So white synovial fluid is something what? Pathological. And white synovial fluid, it is seen in answer is E, A, and B. In case of increased urate crystals and in case of increased cholesterol, white synovial fluid is C. Understand? Increased urate crystals and also increased cholesterol. So next slide will say show what are the different types of synovial fluid. So synovial fluid with associated laboratory findings. This is the one we should be remembering. We are not remembering viscosity also. We should remember the causes, color, and also WBC count. No need of remembering the absolute WBC count. You should remember whether the WBC count is increased or reduced. So regarding the normal synovial fluid, color is clear. And in Davidson, it is said that sometimes it is straw colored or light yellow colored. So normal synovial fluid, it is colorless, viscosity is high, and also WBC count is less than 150 cells or 25% neutrophils. 25% neutrophils. Okay. Then in case of osteoarthritis, we all the